I'm currently on a Tyne Metro train, and I'm heading to Northumberland Park. But you may be thinking to yourself, why are you going to Northumberland Park? Well, you'll see in a minute.
The next station is Northumberland Park for Cobalt Business Park, Silverlink Retail and local bus services.
So, as some of you may know, the entire Northumberland Line has opened from Newcastle to Ashington, and Northumberland Park is one of the newest stations to open on the line. So I'm currently standing on the Tyne Metro platforms, and if I come over to here, and now I'm on the northern platforms. This part of this station opened at this date down here, and as you can see, if I flip this round, it's all shiny and new. There's the sign, doors closing, S cardboard up there. There's a DMI up there, just very, very small up there. So we've got the northern platforms on this side and the the two metro platforms on the other side. Because it's the metro platforms is an island platform, island, not Ireland, not the country, island platform, and that's been open since this date down here. So yeah, let's have a look around the station, I guess. So the only way in and out of the station is through the lift or the stairs up there onto the footbridge. So you come down the lift. The exit to the station is on the bridge over to that bridge over there. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, and then over here we have a help point. You can hear a plane. Over here we've got a help point, very shiny and new. Litter bins, information about the station and where to buy tickets and onward travel. There's another onward travel information over there. Changes to the train times, and then we've got the timetable over here, and then the sign for the platform. Then we come over here to find the ticket machine. Like any old northern train tickets, there's any old northern train ticket machines. We've got one here. There's the steps to get up onto the footbridge. There's the old metro, well, so it was not old, but there's a metro canopy. And we've got a smart card reader here. We can have your northern pass. Waiting shelter over there, but it's not much of a waiting shelter. There's another one down there, and then another DMI board. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's Northumberland Park. So all we need to do now is wait for our train to our next station. So the train before our one is currently delayed. It's currently at Seaton Delaval, but we're not getting that train. We're getting the 1339, but that's when the train is expected. That's when the 1331 is expected. So we're going to get put behind that. So yeah, so I guess we'll just have to wait. So we've got about 4 minutes to our train, and then yeah, we'll be on our way. There's another train coming in before ours. There's been a bit of a delay. So as you can see, they were held. The two trains that just came in were held there, and now our train has just crossed into the section of Northumberland Park. So we shouldn't be too long. Right, finally on the train. It's been like God knows how delayed, but now we're going to be on this train all the way to Bedlington. Should be leaving in about a minute or so now, and we're off to Bedlington and the doors are closing, so let's go. Look, no hands, I'm a magician. I'm joking, it's on a tripod. So yeah, next stop is Seaton Delaval, and it's about 17 minutes, maybe 25 minutes to Bedlington. So yeah, here's Seaton Delaval station, which is the first station to open on the whole line. Very cool. Well, here's Newsham, which is the second station to open on the line. Next station will be Bedside. Next station is Bedlington, and we're coming into it now. Well, here we are, Bedlington, the newest station to open on the line. But you'll also see, when we look around the station, that it used to be an old station. So currently on platform 1, there's another platform over there, which is accessible via the level crossing, over there. So we've got the waiting shelter over here. Then we have a bin, very, very charming. We've got the DMI here. We've got another waiting shelter down here. So we come to the level crossing here, very nice and shiny and new. But if we go across the road, once this van's passed, you'll see there's an old signal box. I don't know if this is still in use, but yeah, this is Bedlington South signal box. And that is sign number 1, that this used to be an old station. And now let's cross the level crossing onto platform 2. And sign number 2 that this used to be an old station. This thing. It's an old station building over here with a slightly newer poster. Very cool. And then let's explore platform 2. So we've got an information screen here. Down the platform onto the tapper. Ticket machine, and yeah, pretty much the same as platform 2. But I want to show you something down there. And the thing I wanted to show you is this, as another old signal box. Now that is decommissioned because there's literally there's blinds up in there. So yeah, that is very, very cool. And you can see 2 lines split off. I think one of them is freight only, and then the other one is the line up towards Ashington. So yeah, that's Bedlington. So there you go. I have travelled between the 2 newest open stations on the Northumberland Line, or the Ashington Line. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, then please make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss an upload. Apart from that, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Goodbye.